Hello Power-Apps users, let me show you the first demo of upcoming version 5.9, where will be a new suffix for flex width and flex height. Let me show you how this is working. The first, what you will see in the layers in Figma, you need to put the suffix flexw and flexh, which is saying that this is fill portion for width and fill portion for height, depends if it's horizontal or vertical. When you specify the suffix, then the plugin automatically calculates how many childs are included, and thanks to this you will see every child with flexw and flexh will have automatically dynamic minimum allowed width or height. If I select this horizontal container, I can see that every flexw has minimum allowed calculated according to number of child. When I select the wall card, which is for the delivery tracking, copy to paste and paste inside the Power-Apps. You can see that it's mostly the same output, only with minimum changes if you want to have 1-to-1. But this flexw and flexh helps to really get the output what you wanted to have it from Figma to Power-Apps. Stay tuned in our MyCondy page on LinkedIn and see the progress of upcoming version.